Hi viewers, it's a pleasure to have you join us on my channel today. Before we delve into the topic, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support in nurturing this vibrant community where learning and enjoyment thrive hand in hand. Today our topic will be how to transform your dinner table into a captivating centerpiece of elegance and romance. Transforming your dinner table into that captivating centerpiece of elegance and romance is an art, and there's no better way to achieve this than by incorporating the timeless beauty of roses. Oh, I love roses. Here is a guide to help you adorn your tonight's dining space with the enchanting allure of these exquisite blooms. First step in it is choose your roses wisely. Select roses that resonate with the theme and ambience you wish to create, whether it's classic red roses for a romantic evening or soft pastel hues for a whimsical atmosphere. Ensure the color and variety complement your table decor. Step number 2. Creating the stunning centerpieces. First, begin by arranging your roses in the form of stunning centerpieces. Use a mix of different sized vases or containers to add depth and visual interest. Incorporate foliage or other filler flowers to enhance the arrangement's texture and fullness. Step number 3. Play with the height and proportion. So, when you're doing it, experiment with varying heights to add dimension to your table decor. Taller arrangements can serve as focal points, while shorter ones can accentuate place settings on buffet areas. Just remember to keep the overall proportions balanced and visually pleasing. Step number 4. Layer it with linens and tableware. Enhance the beauty of your floral arrangements by layering them with complementary linens and tableware. Choose tablecloths, runners, or placements that complement the color palette of your roses, creating a cohesive and harmonious look. Step number 5. Add delicate accents. Enhance the romantic ambiance by incorporating delicate accents such as tea lights, candlesticks, or water holders. Scatter the rose petals along the table or use them to create whimsical designs for an added touch of elegance. Step number 6. Consider individual place settings. Elevate each guest's dining experience by incorporating individual rose accents into their piece settings. This could include a single rose bed placed atop a napkin or a small posy nestled beside their dinner plate, adding a personal and intimate touch to the table. Step number 7. Don't forget the scent. So roses not only add visual appeal but also infuse your dining experience with their enchanting fragrance. Opt for fragrant rose varieties to delight your senses and create a truly immersive ambiance. Step number 8. Keep it simple and elegant. While it's tempting to go overboard with decorations, remember that simplicity often speaks volumes. Focus on highlighting the natural beauty of the roses and allow them to take center stage amidst understated elegance. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a dining experience that's not only visually stunning but also imbued with the timeless charm of roses. So gather your favorite blooms, set the table with care, and prepare to delight your guests with an unforgettable dining experience filled with beauty and romance. Thank you so much for listening to this, and I now leave you to enjoy the table.